Hi, my name is Daniel from Snap Shades, and today we'll be installing a rear door shades on an SUV. For the first step of the installation, unfold your shades slowly, like this. And the next step of the installation is to contour the curve of the shade to the curve of the door. For contouring, slowly bend the shade with your two thumbs in the middle and your hand as shown, and slowly curve the shade to the curve of the door. While molding your shade, put it against the glass on the outer side of the door to match the contour of the shade to the door. For the installation, for this model, you pop the shade into the frame of the door as shown, and to test, to make sure that nothing's actually caught onto the window shade, you open and close your window to see that no material is actually getting caught while operating the window. So a recommendation for using the shade is having your windows anywhere less than halfway, having the windows halfway closed, and you can actually drive 60 to 70 kilometers an hour as such. I hope you like our installation video and hope you enjoy your shade. Thank you very much.